ごいぞ。
気をつけてね。ちょっと前見てよ。
危ないね。すごい。
おー、わ
So you can
すごいね。
really see all of Waimea. So there's this valley and how the river curves and comes around and keeps curving all the way down to the bay over there.
Oh, somebody has a field over there.
So that's a Hawaiian traditional farm.
Is
So
it?
that's why I love bringing people here. That's what Hawaii would look like. Because so over there is the lo'is. So you can see that one pond, that water lo'i right there, kind of looks like a rice field, right?
Yeah.
That's what they're growing their taro out of.
Oh,
And so they have their different areas where they're growing their taro. And they have bananas and they have kukui nut trees. And
Okay, so it's just kind of self-sufficient.
yeah, that's what the Hawaiian culture used to look like. That's what.
So they live in that
I'm not sure actually.
house, or no?